Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a donut. Let's start off by drawing a big oval shape with a drippy bottom edge for the icing. Then, add a non-drippy curved line just under it for the bottom of the donut. For the donut hole, draw a really wide U shape like so in the middle, a drippy line inside it for the edge of the icing, and a non-drippy curved line under it for the donut bottom. Now we can decorate our donut. I'm going to draw some sprinkles all over it. But you can decorate yours with anything you want. You could do circle-shaped sprinkles, heart-shaped sprinkles for Valentine's, or some more icing in a wavy pattern. Let us know your favorite kind of donut in the comments below. To add some extra detail, draw a thin, broken line along the donut just below the icing for some texture. And now you got a donut! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.